Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna tell you how to use green screen in Vegas or Sony Vegas or Vegas Pro. Like, I think it's any version that it works on. I'm gonna tell you how to use green screen. So for example, I made this animation and now for example I want to add a video on below it and add the animation on top of the video. Okay, so I just added a video, but you can't see it. So how do I add a green screen? So right there, you click on this FX, so it's like FX of the video. You click on it, then a window like this appears. Then you choose Vegas chroma here, and then you click add, and then you click OK, and then you have this window. There are some different colors you can choose. So here you click on the color, you click on this thing, and then you choose the color. You click on the color that you want to disappear. So I click, for example, on this thing, and now it disappeared, but this, for example, the subscribe button is kinda transparent. So you have to set these options so that you have to find the perfect option so that you can see the background and you can see everything. So for example, let's say I found it like this, and now you just need to check if it works. Okay, it's working, it's perfect, and that's basically how you add a green screen. You can also make like this blur, so it will be a little bit blurry. Also, if you want only part of it to be selected on green screen, you can go to this thing, you can click on the mask, and you can use, for example, this tool to select the thing you want to be green screen. So I chose this thing, and now as you can see, you can only see this thing, this part that I selected. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then please make sure to subscribe with notifications on and like this video, and goodbye.